Hello everybody, my name is Alex, also known as Ray, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day today, and I've decided that on Sundays we're going to grab a song from left field. You know, a band that I've never, or, dang, I keep saying band. Hello everybody, my name is Alex, also known as Ray, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day today, and I've decided that on Sundays I'm going to grab a song from left field, you know, a group that I've never heard before or ones that I haven't reacted to very often. So that's what we're going to do today. Today we've got ITZY, Wannabe, so it's been recommended to check that out. They do have a music video, a dance practice, and a performance video. So I'm going to check out all three just to knock them all out, and I'm excited. This is the first girl group that I've reacted to since Dreamcatcher, so I'm really excited to get to learn more about them. Like I said, I know absolutely nothing about them, so this will be a fresh take, and I'm excited. So let's get into it. All right, ITZY, Wannabe. Let's check it out. You know, I like Dreamcatcher. Let's see what they got. Okay. Winding up a doll? That's kind of creepy, ain't gonna lie. Ooh. Ooh. Very different. That's right. Ooh, okay. Deep lyrics. This is a vibe. Hey, yeah. I like that. I like that. Don't let anybody tell you who you are, because you want to be you. Just stay you. Stay true to yourself. That's what matters. It's not about what other people think of you. I like that. I like that that theme behind it. That's really cool. This is good. It's got a great vibe. There's definitely more pop. Like, yeah, I hear the pop out of it, and it's great. I like it. This music video is crazy, too. Oh, cutting the hair. Ooh. Oh. Wait, oh. Oh, who's the rapper? Please let me know. Which one's the rapper? It came out of nowhere. I love switch ups like that. Facts. Yeah, they like to gossip. Facts. Ooh. That's hard. I like that beat. Ooh. Oh, we're building again. Oof. Wow. Chills. Facts. Yeah, I can turn it up. Yeah. Right back into it. This is amazing. Wow. Holy smokes. That was incredible, guys. Incredible. Like I said, I've always liked that motivational, like, be true to yourself messages. I love that. I love that. I feed off of positive energy, and that's what this gave me. It was amazing. It was really nice to switch it up and listen to a female group again. It's great. You know, I've been listening to so much boy bands, Stray Kids, TXT, ATs. It was really nice. It's a great switch, and I can't wait to hear more from them. It was amazing. I get to hear this song again. 2 more times, actually. So that was great. Lost for words. But now I got a performance video. The amount of switch ups was crazy, and it sounds so great in the headphones. I need to know her. I think she was the one rapping in that middle breakdown. And again, with the K-pop genre, they do really well with choreography and videos. I mean, it doesn't matter what group I've reacted to. Every video seems like it's been like a lot of effort put in. And I love that. Because there's more than just the song. I mean, obviously the song to me is the most important. But you also want this other stuff, the choreography, the videos, all to be, I mean, amazing. And they put so much effort and time into it. And I love that about this genre. It makes it so much better when they put their whole life into all of it, and it's great. And these videos have been amazing. Amazing. And of course they're stunning. I mean, just beautiful. I love that message. I don't know. I have something for the rappers, okay? If you guys know, my bias of Dreamcatcher is Dami, of course, because she's the rapper and I love her so much. And it may be this lady here. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know any of their names. I have no idea. But I like the rap. I really do. It's that attitude. I love it. I love this breakdown. I knew the dance part of this breakdown would be nuts. gosh, incredible. That the video was so well made. Their choreography's insane, and we get to see more of that in the next video with the dance practice. But I love how every K-pop group is great in their own way. Like it doesn't seem like any group wants to try and imitate another. Like they're all so different, even though it's the same genre. They're all so different, and that's what makes it so cool. Is like no one sounds the same. They all do things differently, and yet it's all sounds so good. I love it. I love it. I I love that about groups when they can do it their own way. It's same genre, own way. So cool. So cool. All right. Last one, we got dance practice. Again. That's crazy. Their movements are nuts. I can't move that fast. The song is so good. It's gonna be so hard to rank these songs, right? Because the male groups and the female groups are so different in the way they approach the genre. I think I may make a separate top 10, like separately, because they belong on separate levels in my opinion. Like Dreamcatcher and ITZY, the they deserve their own top 10 and not have to compete with Stray Kids, TXT, and all those groups. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a separate top 10 for each one because I don't think it's fair because I love both of them. There's no way I can put them in the same group. But they're amazing. I love this. I love this so far. There's something so catchy about this song. Choreography's insane. I feel like I can listen to this for hours and not get bored because it's just that catchy. Incredible. Thank you so much for the recommendation. Like I said, I'm going to definitely make a separate top 10 for the girl groups because they deserve it. They need as much attention as the guy groups do. Like I said, I hope you all enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more, and let me know what's next. I would definitely want to check out some more ITZY. It was nice to switch it up from all the boy groups to now going to the girl groups. So that it was a nice switch up. And I will check you all out. Not check you all out. I don't mean it that way. I will see you all in the next video. Peace.